Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and I'm going to do a slightly more difficult problem here of a linear inequality and how to solve that. So what I'm going to do is say 7 is less than negative 2x minus 3. And so I purposely put x on the right and I gave it a negative, and we'll see how this goes because we know that we need to flip if we swap sides. We know that we need to flip if we divide, but do we need to do it both times? So let's try and find out. The first thing that we're going to do is swap sides, and remember that we also need to swap the sign of, well, the direction of the inequality. Let's go ahead and do that. Negative 2x minus 3 is now greater than 7. So note how we went ahead and flipped the direction of the inequality since we swapped sides of x. We're going to go ahead and do the usual now. We're going to cancel away the constant. So now we've got adding 3 to both sides. That's going to get us negative 2x is greater than 10. All right. And so now we're going to get rid of the coefficients. Divide both sides by negative 2. All right. And what are we going to have here? By the way, this is when we need to swap signs again. We have x is less than negative 5. Now let's see if this answer looks correct. Note once again that we are swapping the direction here of the inequality. All right, so let's do a test of this. X is less than negative 5. We'll go ahead and draw it out. Negative 5 right here. And so these are the possible solutions. Let's see if that turns out to be true. First, we'll do negative 5. All right, so we'll just write this in purple, I guess. Negative 5, so we have negative 2 times negative 5 minus 3. Negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. Minus 3 is 7. Good. So we can check that one off. That one checks out. X is less than negative 5. So the next one to test out is negative 2 times negative 6. Negative 6 is less than negative 5. Subtract away 3. Okay, we've got positive 12 minus 3 is 9. Is 7 less than 9? Yes, so this one does also check out. So this is our answer. We had a swap, so we had both a swap of sides, and in addition to that, we also had a divide or multiply by a negative. And so we swapped the direction once here and a second time here, okay, to end up with the correct answer, which we tested in this area. So this is Keith from Kinvert. We went over a slightly more difficult example of a linear inequality and how to solve it, where we had x on, quote unquote, the wrong side and a negative. We had to swap the sign twice to get our answer, which turned out to be correct. X is less than negative 5. This is part of our online class for Pre Calculus and Algebra. Hope you found this helpful, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.